too. But behold, across the way is that Kim Gravel. Hi.
I've always wanted to be a QVC model.
You could be. Let's do it, Kim.
I cannot. Y'all are so professional. I'm gonna step out.
What? No, come back. Did you get your hair cut and colored? By the way, it looks extra good tonight.
Well, I just actually put something in it. You know how it is.
Oh, yeah.
I decided to wash it.
Oh, got it.
For PM style.
She washed her hair for us,
Hey,
you guys. This. Luke just laughed, but he laughed like, is that funny or is that not funny?
Because that man has the best lashes on the planet.
Does he? Luke, I've never seen your
I'm
lashes.
jealous because they're lost on us girls kill for those lashes, and he's walking around just.
Well, let's kill Luke and take his lashes.
We have lash envy.
Girl, first of all, you're in the building.
I'm here.
Are you going to be here all night?
All day.
Into tomorrow?
Night, tomorrow. Oh my gosh, my Southern really came out.
It did, but we liked it. But look at what PM Style ladies get to shop for that no one else has seen yet. I'm going to untie it.
Tie it.
Because it is called the Breezy Petals button-up front blouse. So gorgeous, all done in poly, lovely print. But you gave us a little trick.
Yes.
So all you do is climb into the blouse and give it a little tie. If you want to put it in a bow, you can, or just tie it in a knot. And you get a tie front.
That's it. Isn't that great?
That is charming.
That's a good word.
So
it's and I love the print. I'm ready. Who out there is ready for spring? Oh my gosh! Collectively, everyone's like,
everybody,
whoop,
the whole team.
Go Birds.
Luke and his eyelashes
Super Bowl,
just raised
right,
their
guys?
hands.
So it's time. I mean, the big game. God bless America.
You're not supposed to say that word.
I know.
Did you know
and
that?
so now we're ready. It's like after the big game.
Big game.
We're ready.
Spring.
Yeah.
All right. Well, here's your choices. 400 orders already placed.
Oh Lord, let me hush.
So, Ellen, you went into the blue.
That's gorgeous,
isn't it? And it's a soft blue. It's almost
friendly.
like a bluish, grayish purple. It's like all of that. The background color, don't you think?
Gosh, and you smell good too, Amy.
I do.
And your new collection. We'll talk. Keep going.
Okay. She interrupted me. I didn't interrupt her.
I know.
Her.
I always interrupt.
This is lavender, and lavender with that blue in the flower center.
This was lavender, but y'all, it's almost like a pink quartz blushy pink.
So I'm in the true pink.
Yeah, that's the true pink.
Here's your lavender, here's your blue all next to each other.
But it's whisper lavender. It's not, hello.
It's not lavender.
It's lavender.
Sorry if
I love this one. Sunshine.
You in this, like the jeans, the shoe, the whole look, the hair, the earring.
Working.
The orange. It is working big time. Okay, tell me more.
And then the pink.
Yeah, and then the pink, I'm sorry.
This is our woven blouses. I wanted to change it up for this spring because we always do the typical woven blouse. We didn't bring many of these in.
We're busy. Free shipping.
Oh, I forgot free shipping today. Oh, I've got to shop. I've got like 5 things in my cart.
You only have until midnight for all things on free shipping.
I can't focus.
500. You can't.
Normally I'm shopping on Monday. I'm not
placed.
here in the building. But this is the thing. I wanted to bring you something that was really, really easy. It's a button up, but plenty of room. When I say plenty of room, I'm in my normal QVC size medium. Look at the tie. Easy to wear. Look at the sleeve.
Ah, love that sleeve.
Yeah, so it is inverted.
Oh.
So it gives you like, you can really zhuzh it up here and give it like a blue something.
Everything feels special about it.
It's
like nothing
different.
feels like it's been there, done that yet.
I wanted to bring something in PM style that's not normally done in our regular shows. Because I don't get on much.
Ellen.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, can I grab one too?
You want to grab that one?
Yeah.
That's the only one you can grab because they're all being represented. Blue on Ellen at 5'10" in a medium. Pink on me, I'm 5'2½", extra small. Kim, you look amazing in the orange.
Well, and I know we've got the Flexibles coming up, but I wanted to show it with denim, wide leg. Then she's got the straight leg Flexibel. Then we have, you know,
lavender.
Lavender. Can you imagine this with little shorts too?
Oh, that'd be so
and y'all, we're short season's like a sneeze away.
Oh, you know what else I could see it with? Like a really dressy, a sneeze away. Achoo! It's spring.
That's what happens. It's right when everything starts blooming.
What was I going to say? Oh, I want to see it for Easter and Passover and Mother's Day with a beautiful dress pant, like flowing off-white, cream.
I'm sad.
And can I put my blazer over this too?
Put your blazer because y'all, my son is graduating in May.
In May?
And it's bittersweet. I need advice.
I think this is your advice. You should wear this shirt to the graduation.
That's what I'm saying. Like, can you see this at graduation with the tears and the laughter and the yay?
Kim, you could do this.
Get out my house for college. Don't leave. You know?
You could untie it if you run out of tissues and just kind of. Oh, he's graduating.
But I want you to know the tie is not.
And then tie it again.
It's not fussy.
It's not, and it's easy.
It's
you don't have
easy.
to like fuss with it. Isn't that cute?
And the length is good, you know. And it just a lot of you have said to me, Kim, bring us something that's a little like right at the waist. for a woven blouse.
Because it's flattering.
This is it, yeah.
800 orders placed. Can I show you something? We all unbuttoned, but it is a mandarin neck. It's not a collar. I should have called that out. So look, if you really want to feel extra special,
that blazer
put a little
looks good with
Sunday
that.
hat on. Thank you. I mean, look at how pretty that is.
It's just
garden
cute.
party.
Garden party. And honestly, you can dress this up or dress this down, either way.
But you got to get it today.
Okay.
It's the $59 price. It's
love
here
the
in
free
the
shipping.
colors. It's free
God.
shipping, and then the easy pay is $11.
But
It's
can I
machine
just
washed.
show it on Ellen? I just want to talk about the fit. So,
Okay.
so the placket goes all the way down, but then you have plenty of room here on us. Like, I don't want you to think it's like
tight and then
it's not
fitted.
tight. And let me tell you something.
Oh,
My cup runneth over. Okay.
I wish mine did.
Why? And I'm pointing so you understand what I'm saying. My cup runneth over. And
She does not mean she has a cup of water.
It's not too tight. I just want y'all to see that.
It looks so pretty.
Is that
Morgan's
overshare?
joining us. No, that's not overshare.
Okay.
I always say PM Style is definitely the show to have the girl talk, to have the overshare. Because if you say shopping is not for you and boring, you are not in the right store. And PM Style, it's not boring, it's not complicated. We make it easy and fun to shop.
Yeah, and informative. So
Yes,
I'm telling you,
helpful.
Amy is like one of the best hosts here at QVC,
You're
bar
nice.
none. But then fashion is really your forte, styling and how to put it together. And it's sometimes we want to be told what to do when it comes to styling. I do, hands up with that shoe.
Well, I will tell you what to do. You
Okay.
buy the shirt. It is A679768. You buy it today because with Kim's line, one of our most popular here, colors will be gone by the end of this program. Sizes will disappear. But today you have free shipping and 5 easy payments. And remember, it's like bracelet length, so you could certainly wear it this week if it's home or next week if it's home. Play with the neckline and make it look however you prefer. I think this looks more professional, dressy, ladylike. And then if you unbutton it, it's more like evening
If you unbutton it,
and fun.
it's
Right? Then it's different.
use your imagination. But this is what I'm saying. I want to kind of show you too. There's mechanical stretch in this fabric. The drape is wonderful. It drapes really well on the body. Look at it right there. See, it has like a little, kind of a smile because you do have that, you know, tie in the front. I love this orange.
I love the orange. The orange is a peach background.
It is.
A bright orange flower, a turquoise center, and then all the green leaves.
All the green.
Busy
I'm
on
ready
the
for
phone
green.
lines.
I'm ready for green.
She's ready for green. Alan, you told me how many were ordered, and I was over 1,000 orders placed.
Okay.
We've got Ellen in the blue combination, and in the background, it's like bluish purple.
Right, that's what I'm saying. The backgrounds are whispers.
So pretty.
So you can wear these like, Ellen could wear this with anything, with the Flexibels that are coming up that are thebomb.com,
Yes,
some
up
of the most
next.
populars. And then, but she could also wear it with jeans, white capris, crop, shorts.
Gorgeous.
Uh-huh.
I went pink.
A
I mean,
skirt.
imagine this pink with your navy dress pant. Imagine the pink with black. Then your jeans when you wanted to be a little bit more
navy
casual.
dress pant
A
will
navy
be
dress
so
pant. Wouldn't that be
cool.
pretty? And the pink doesn't have any of the turquoise in it that Kim's and Ellen's does. Mine goes back to almost like a hint of yellow in the center of my flower. If you look
We
right
have
there.
some pink jeans.
Ooh,
Some beautiful, like pale, they're
pretty.
called pink quartz jeans that this would rock with.
Dye to match buttons, that easy tie. Again, if I can keep demonstrating.
Keep demonstrating,
This is what
'cause
it
I love
looks
how
like.
you're tying it.
Right, this is what it looks like out of the box. And we might all tie it different, but
Do you
I
see
go
how loose
right up.
it is? Get your normal QVC size.
Yeah.
See how the flow, go with the flow. This
Go
one-
with the flow.
Go with the flow.
And then just give it a little knot. And then Morgan, she's in this lavender option. I want to make sure that's what we're
And
calling
Morgan,
it. Yep,
what size
lavender.
are you in?
This is the 2X.
You look so good.
And she's 5'8" in the 2X.
But see how she's got it with the little denims. This was, remember I said skirt and you walked out in it.
Right?
And she's got it on with tennies.
Yeah.
Y'all, I'm loving me some platform tennis shoes.
I need to get some.
They-
I
you-
don't have
you-
any.
Why don't you have any, Amy?
Well, because you feel the platform, like
You just look, it makes you look taller and you feel like
And
it's
you're not
still
uncomfortable.
like athleisure sporty but dressed.
all right, I'll try it.
Try
and I'll try it with this blouse. You guys, look at the beauty of the print.
Yes.
And then the beauty of the details from that asymmetric sleeve to the tie to the neckline. And then realize it's under $60. A blouse section in a department store, a blouse section in the boutiques in your local shopping center. I mean, this would be 3 digits. We're shipping it to you for free. And we have the $12 easy pay tonight.
Well, and let's talk fit because a lot of people say, Kim, what size, what size? Get your normal QVC size. We do have an ease of wear pleat back here in the
Okay.
yoke. So everything has been thought of for you. Get it, button it up, put it on, and get ready for the compliments.
Put little cardigans over it.
Oh, sure,
if you want,
jean
you
jacket.
could do that. Mhm.
I've seen your new jean jacket.
Oh my God, why do you
Fire.
love me so much? I love you back.
No,
Thank
I mean,
you.
I stalk
Where did you
Amy.
see it?
On social.
Oh, on my social. Thank you. I didn't know
Y'all
if it
go
was like,
follow Amy. She's a style maven.
Kim, I adore you. I paid her to say that.
No, she didn't.
I just like it. You know how
It's
some
true.
things come easy? Like, I don't play an instrument because it never came easy to me.
Yeah,
I
like
couldn't
eating comes very, very natural to me.
Well, fashion, eating, whatever it is, you came to the right store.
You
I
did,
mean, we
right
don't
here.
do anything complicated here. And when you have great designers like him, I mean, you don't have to do anything to this shirt. The tie couldn't
Put
be
it on
easier.
and
I
go.
love playing with that neckline. And will you show the sleeve again on me, on Ellen,
I
on
love this.
Kim herself?
That's perfect. See, do you
It's
see
not
how it's
meant to be
asymmetrical?
straight.
No,
It has
but you
a-
can also zhuzh it up because there's a little give to that.
Yep.
And you can make it,
Bring on the summer.
You're going to wear this all spring and summer.
Yeah.
So maybe you could get your t-shirts, but maybe sometimes instead of a t-shirt, wear this with your jeans.
Mm-hmm. Well, and it's that time of year, like you said.
Yeah.
Is it Beau that's graduating?
Yes.
Beau's graduating. Then we've got weddings, which means we have wedding
Oh my
showers.
gosh, everybody's getting married and having babies, honey.
Oh.
Everybody I know is giving birth to babies.
I'm not. I've already been there, done
Brenda
that.
just did here.
She did.
Oh, that's right.
Yeah.
Brenda, the model, just had a little boy,
Look,
right?
another boy. Ellen, she had another boy.
I know.
Okay.
Oh, we don't. Too many boys.
So we have lots of boys.
We
Ellen.
have lots of boys. We have lots of boys. Morgan, we don't want lots of boys, apparently. Okay, all right.
We love
Morgan,
them. We love them.
We love them. All right. Lavender, pink, orange, and blue. Is there a reason your skin looks so pretty tonight, Kim?
Are you really for you for real?
Yeah.
You know, it's what we're
Your
launching
hair
at
and your
midnight.
skin looks good.
Well, that's what we're launching at midnight. And can I just say, I have been wearing this, what we're launching at midnight, for about 2 months, and I've been inundated with what are you doing to your skin?
Really?
And it's coming up at midnight.
So we're gonna find out at midnight.
We are.
But could we? I want to know now.